Mounting your bike to your truck doesn't need to be complicated or expensive. Start off by removing the seat, that way the bike sits closer to the truck bed and it will cause the rear wheel not to hit the window. I have two straps set up, one for the front and one for the back of the bike. The back strap goes between the seat tube and the top tube. When I tighten that down, it'll pull the rear wheel against the back or the front of the truck bed, keep the bike real stable. The front strap goes between the head tube and the bottom tube. When I tighten that down, it'll keep the bike tightly against the rear of the truck bed. And it's pretty important that I tie the front wheel to the fork. That way when I'm driving the truck, it will cause the wheel not to spin. Now, when I take two bikes, it becomes a little more complicated. You got to keep the rear wheels to both the bikes where the axles will touch each other. That way the derailleurs won't hit. It's the same process. The rear straps go through between the top tube and the seat tube, and the front strap goes between the headset and the bottom tube. The one tricky part is to figure out a way to get the two handlebars to not touch each other. You just have to play around with that depending on how your handlebars are set up and the width of them. It's usually pretty simple. Tying down the front wheels once again, that way they don't spin. Here's a good shot showing you a little bit a clear idea of how it is set up. As you can see, the two rear axles are touching, not the derailleurs, not the brakes. Pretty good setup. It's also very stable. And here's a good shot of where the rear cable is tied down and front one. Overall, it's a pretty good setup. I hope this helped you. There's a lot of videos out there and a lot of products selling you something that will do virtually the same thing. If you like it, leave a like. Thanks.